Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect PayPal to Gumroad. Alright, let's begin. First, log in to your Gumroad account and go to your dashboard. On the left side, click Settings, then go to Payments. In Payments, start with verification by filling out your details to get your account verified. Next, choose your payout schedule, weekly, monthly, or quarterly, and set your minimum payout threshold. Scroll down to Bank Account and add your details, as Gumroad usually prefers this for payouts. After that, you can add PayPal. To use PayPal, your account must be compliant. You must have earned at least $100 and received one successful payout. To comply, go to Payouts, verify your account, and sell something to earn at least $10. Once you receive a payout, you can link your PayPal and withdraw funds after reaching $100. So that's basically how you can connect PayPal to Gumroad. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.